Hello, Aquatic Sparks here. So today I'm not doing industrial electrical, I'm helping out a neighbour. So we're just doing a little bit of domestic work here, putting in some downlights. So running through cables and stuff. Unfortunately the joists are running this way, like that way. So we've had to cut out a couple of little bits there for the cable to run through, because we've got no access to the floorboards above, unfortunately. So got a few in already. Couple of downlighters in there. So yeah, I had to chase that a little bit there. It's not great. It's like definitely different from doing commercial and industrial stuff. That's what I'm used to doing normally. So so yeah, run them out there. So we're gonna have to fill all that, and just done a bit upstairs. So I was in the loft earlier on, so got them in. Oh bloody hell, that one's dropped down. Gonna have to sort that out. So yeah, so and then in the bathroom, it's a little bit dark in here. What I've got to do is take a feed from the shaver point, and it's going to have like illuminated mirror here. So yeah, as I say, it's a bit different from what I'm used to. I'm used to doing a lot of metal work and containment and big old armoured cables and stuff, big old fuse boards, so it's quite a difference. And the meter, the fuse board is here. So like I say, I'm used to doing dirty great big fuse boards, big old three phase, but yeah, so this is what I'm doing today. Fishing through cables, all good fun. So but it's some work towards Christmas. It sort of dries up on the commercial side, you know, unfortunately. So you know, it keeps me busy, doesn't it? So it's all money, whichever way you look at it. So we'll be working on the bus at some point soon. It's just been a little bit cold. So so for now, Aquatic Sparks signing off. Thanks very much for watching.